Bob, we take our food through mouth, right? Then how do plants take food? Where can we find mouth in plant?
Friend, plants don't have mouth. They have roots. With the help of roots, they take nutrients, water from soil.
Where do we find these roots?
The part of a plant which lies below the surface of soil is roots. Plants have two different kinds of root systems.
Amazing, Bob. Then what are they?
The two root systems are taproot system and fibrous root system. First, let us know about taproots. Observe the plant. Here, the main root is vertically downwards and few roots arise from the main root. The main root is called taproot, or you can call it as parent root. And the root coming from the main root are called as lateral roots. And if you keenly observe, you can see small rootlets which arise from lateral roots. This is called taproot system. Now we will learn about fibrous root system. Let us take a grass plant and observe it carefully. Here we can see many small roots at the end of the stem. These are called fibrous roots. You can also see the rootlets arising from the roots. Here all roots are similar.
Bob, wow! It's great mechanism. Thank you, Bob.